In the sunny village of Ripple Bay, there lived a wise old turtle named Grandpa Tobin. He wore tiny round glasses on his wrinkly nose, a straw hat on his shell, and walked very slowly, but knew everything about life. Every kid in Ripple Bay loved Grandpa Tobin. Why? Because once a month, he hosted something extra special, Tobin's Life Skills Fun Day. It wasn't a boring class. Oh no! It was filled with games, giggles, and real-life lessons hidden inside the fun. Arrival at the pond pavilion one Saturday morning, Maya, Leo, and Jasper gathered at the pond pavilion where Grandpa Tobin was waiting with a clipboard and a wide smile. "Welcome, young ones," he said in his deep, gentle voice. "Today, we're going to learn some big life skills in small, fun ways." The kids cheered. Activity 1, the Great Laundry Relay. Responsibility. Grandpa Tobin pointed to 2 baskets full of clean socks and a clothesline tied between 2 trees. "Your mission," he said, "is to match and hang up all the socks correctly." The kids raced back and forth, matching polka dots to stripes, dinosaurs to dinosaurs, and even tiny turtle prints to each other. Match it, sort it, don't delay, being responsible saves the day. Leo laughed. Doing chores can actually be fun when we do it together. Activity 2, the Snack Station Sort. Healthy choices. Next, Grandpa Tobin laid out a table with different foods, some healthy, some sugary, and some silly, like jelly beans on toast. Time to learn the art of smart snacking, he grinned. Each child had to build their own plate with a healthy balance, fruits, veggies, and something for energy. Maya picked apple slices, carrots, and a mini cheese sandwich. "Fuel for fun," she said. Crunch and munch, chew it slow, pick the foods that help you grow. Activity 3, the Lost Map Maze. Problem solving and teamwork. Oh no! Grandpa Tobin gasped. "My map to the story tree has gone missing." He handed them a puzzle made of clues. "Can you solve it together and lead me there?" The kids worked as a team. Jasper read the rhymes, Leo held the compass, and Maya drew the path in the dirt. After 10 minutes, they shouted, "This way!" Think it through, step by step. Teamwork gives your brain a pep. Excellent thinking. Grandpa Tobin nodded. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.